Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Zendrop. So first of all, we log in. As always, we log in. And then after we log in, we're going to see this screen where it's going to say fulfilled orders and dashboard. So you got to make sure that you sign up with your actual email, your phone number, your address. You don't need to put your real address. However, don't tell me. However, you got to make sure that you have an actual address. So first of all, we want to learn about the actual overview of how to use Zendrop for dropshipping. So this video will explain you how to use dropshipping for Zendrop. So don't worry about it. Make sure to watch the video until the end of the video to get the full um, content. So first of all, this is the dashboard where you're going to see your orders, and on the right there's the profit column, sales, cost, and orders. Also, you can change the language by clicking here. There's Portuguese and English. I'm so sorry, but there's no Spanish or any other language like Chinese. So this is my Shopify, but however, I'm not going to be talking about the Shopify thing. I'm going to be talking about in my next video. So make sure to watch my other video. So you're going to click on find products. So these products are the products that will be drop shipped. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is just market it. So they will ship it for you and they have a basic price and you advertise it and you get a payment based on that. And you set the cost, not the cost, you set the price for the items. So there's different type of things. There's ships from US, there's shop trends, there's shop tech and shop pets. Let's say I want to open a page about or a Instagram page, TikTok page or a YouTube channel about pets. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to use this avocado one, which looks appealing, and I'm going to click on it and then it will tell me how much it costs. It's gonna ask me product cost and the shipping to the US. So this is basically $5.32 to you, like the actual money for shipping the product to the customer, and you do nothing but just market it. So they will ship it for you. So the good part is you can make money by setting a price of $10 and you can make $5.50, which is $10 might be expensive for these kind of products. However, pet owners like it. You can also click on sample order to sample an order, and you can also check the sizing chart for men's, and you can download it here. So it downloaded for us and it's easy. So let's go ahead and check it out. So there's different kind of items. There's $4 one, the product cost is here. However, make sure to click on it to understand it fully. There's tech brands, there's trends, there's ships from US, which might be very expensive, so you gotta be careful. So night vision dashcam might be good for like car pages. So it's only $20 and you can sell this for like $39.99 and you can make $20 profit. And there's processing time of 1 to 2 days, which will ship it, which the thing will arrive in like 5 to 6 days. So that's really easy. You can also import from AliExpress and different kind of websites. There's t-shirts that you can order from, and there's everything listed here. You can find LED, LCD combination, the 25 volts charging case, Christmas squad shirt, and more. So these are easy to dropship and you can easily use them. There's categories that you can choose from, like automotive, based on what you like. So if you have a page about food, you can also dropship food from a different country, and you can also do it by creating designs, and you can also change the price range. So that's really easy, guys. You can click on import list. So whatever you import will be listed here and you can import it to your Shopify store. However, in this video, I'm not going to be talking about how to use Shopify. Make sure to watch my other videos about Shopify and start making money. And imported products are listed here. You can view on Shopify. So you can easily import it by integrating. Um, let's close this tab. And here's the quotes. Here's the orders that you will be receiving, and when you receive an order, you don't do anything. You just calculate your profit because the shipping, storage, everything, packaging will be handled from Zendrop. You can also click on branding. However, you need the upgrade feature, but you need to do the logo thing to create the branding. There's also bundling and boxes, AliExpress imports, Zendrop Academy, and there's the inventory warehouse. And there's a product, of course. Let's see if I can show you guys anything else. Oh, there's the orders page where you can like track your orders. Oh yeah, I want to talk about the product list because this is like the important thing about it. So most people buy the trend. They will never buy something like not trendy, especially on TikTok, because trendy products are not listed, like they're not available in your grocery store. So if I were you, I would start selling like these things. So these cost only 868 to like ship it to your customer, and you can sell them for 14.99. So let's make the calculation. So from each product you can make $6.31. And if you spend like $1,000 on advertisement, you will at least estimate amount if you have a good advertisement, like if you get a model and put it on his uh, head, you can make like, so 1,000 will have like 1 million impression. So you can basically make between so 1 million, like $60,000. However, you need to have a good model. You gotta make sure that you market it good. You can click on add to import list and you can import it to your import list and it will do it for you and it will be listed here. As you guys can see here that there's product tags that you can add to get more people into your Zendrop. So Zendrop is a very good website that you can do and you can easily do it. You can remove product here, remove product, select a product to override. Oh, you can like change items. And yeah, that's how you do it. You can also get the 7-day trial of the upgraded version where you can have the AliExpress imports, subscription boxes. Oh wait, let me close this. I'm so sorry. So the Pro version has the US products, custom branding, and trending products, and there's like price negotiations that you can do. Like let's say you're selling like 1 million items and you want to make a $1 off on a product, you will be making extra $1 million. So that's a big, big, big money. You can use partner resources, brand development, and more. So it starts from $49 a month, and this one starts from $79 a month. And again, you can check your dashboard and do that. There's the support button that you can use to get a support from like real people. You can submit a request and that will definitely help you because it's dropshipping, like you're actually like putting in the money. So these are the imported products. I can easily like remove them by clicking remove and you can get press and get started and this will be the column that will help you to like get started, like the tasks that you have to do in order to accomplish your goals. Um, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to um, like and subscribe. We're uploading videos every single day, so please comment what you think about the video so that we can improve the content or make sure that we have a better content next time. So thank you all so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.